Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Body Fit and Health Cure. Today, I'm going to be talking about what happens when you eat avocado for 30 days. Avocados are a popular fruit that is known for their creamy texture and rich flavor. They are also a good source of nutrients, including healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Before we dive into today's exciting content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the share icon to spread the knowledge, and ring that bell so you never miss a notification when we release new content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to embark on this journey with you. Let's learn, explore, and have some fun together. Now, let's jump into today's topic. What happens when you eat avocado for 30 days? There is some scientific evidence to suggest that eating avocado for 30 days can have a number of health benefits. 1. Improved heart health. A study published in the journal Nutrition found that people who ate an avocado a day for 6 weeks had lower LDL bad cholesterol levels than those who did not eat avocado. Avocados contain high levels of healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help to lower LDL bad cholesterol and raise HDL good cholesterol levels. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Improved blood sugar control. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that eating avocado can help to improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. Avocados are a good source of fiber, which can help to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Reduced inflammation. A study published in the journal Arthritis Research and Therapy found that avocado extract can help to reduce inflammation in people with arthritis. Avocados contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can help to protect against a number of chronic diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, and arthritis. 4. Improved digestion. A study published in the journal Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that avocado can help to promote healthy digestion. Avocados are a good source of fiber, which can help to promote healthy digestion. Fiber can help to bulk up stool and keep things moving smoothly through the digestive tract. 5. Weight loss. A study published in the journal Obesity found that people who ate an avocado a day for 8 weeks lost more weight than those who did not eat avocado. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help you to feel full and satisfied after eating. This can help you to eat less overall and lose weight. The health benefits of eating avocado are likely due to the fruit's nutrient-rich content. Avocados are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients can help to improve heart health, blood sugar control, inflammation, digestion, and weight loss. If you want to add avocado to your diet, there are a number of ways to do so. You can eat avocado plain, add it to salads, smoothies, or sandwiches, or use it as a topping for toast or eggs. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.